What's the meaning of amazing grace? Amazing grace. Amazing grace. Amazing grace. Amazing grace. Amazing grace.
Amazing Grace is a Christian hymn that expresses the idea of salvation and redemption through faith in Jesus Christ. The song speaks of the amazing grace and mercy of God, who forgives and saves sinners. The lyrics are based on the personal experience of the author, John Newton, who was a former slave trader before he turned to Christianity. The powerful message of the hymn has made it a popular choice for various occasions, including funerals and religious services. Its universal appeal has also led to numerous cover versions by artists of different genres.